Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Daryl and Jim
Good afternoon.
with the Yellow Iron Cowboys. We found out what's wrong with the 6015. Yesterday, it broke down. But so we took it apart today. I brought it back over to Jim's. And here's what we found. The ears on the top of this shaft broke. In fact, where are they? They're right here. These ears stick up on top of that shaft, which engages with that shaft down in there. You can just see it in there. There you go. There's some light.
And this is all the main oil pump.
Yeah, this is the pump for the 6015. Not too bad to get out of the tractor. It sits on this plate right here with two screws that go through these slots and bolts into those two holes right there. And then it just comes off. But first you got to take this big line off. This line goes up towards the front of the pump. It curls underneath here and goes up here, about right here. And then there's this line here we had to take off. That way we could twist this tray around. And what else, Jim? Four screws to take the plate loose.
Take the plate loose.
One pretty much in each corner. And
this box slides back.
oh yeah, that little box there that sits there opposite of the tank here.
The tray in here comes out first.
It's keyed. It's keyed to fit in these slots here.
Slots. Yep.
And it just slides forward to lock in and slides back to come out.
And then the whole back house.
Yeah, the whole back. Yeah.
There's 4 screws, and then that slides back and disengages from these slots on the end.
Right.
So.
Yeah, right there. And then, of course, the counterweight has 2 large bolts right here. And that counterweight is heavy. So that's how you get the pump out pretty much. It's not that big a deal. There is one hidden screw. Probably should show you that we couldn't figure out why we couldn't get this thing loose. This the cover here. Where is that, Jim? Right here. Right here. This would be the right side of the tractor. So look down in that hole, and there's a screw that goes down into the frame right there. So that's the house, and that's the counterweight. And today, when I was trying to get it out of the trailer, I was trying to walk it out. I was by myself. This track motor crapped out on me. So we thought we spun a gear or something, but it was actually the motor. So
And what we learned is you can take a brushless motor apart. It's just being held together by the magnets, which is a surprisingly strong force. But you can take the shaft. The shaft on the new motor did not match the old shaft. We pulled the old shaft out of the old motor and then drove it into the replacement motor, and everything works great.
I just happened to have couple extra motors in my trailer.
Just didn't have the correct D shafts.
Yeah, just didn't have the right shaft. So anyway, we got that actually fixed. So we got right track drive now. And when you don't got track drive on this thing, it's a bear to move. My God, this thing's a toad. So anyway, that's kind of what we've been doing today. Getting this thing back, broke down. So I talked to Oliver last night. I thought maybe something in the pump broke. So I ordered a pump. I ordered some new teeth for the bucket because I bent the heck out of that one. Right there, you can see it pointing down a little bit. And I ordered a new slew motor with gearbox, because this one's acting kind of funny. I don't know if you, sometimes you'll notice in the videos, you'll see it stall when I'm turning. And it's pretty much any time that the tractor is setting at an angle, like down or in the front or back in the back, where it's not level, it'll stall like that. I don't know what's going on there. So anyway, I got some replacement parts coming for that. And I think we're done, huh, Jim?
Yep.
Pretty much covered everything. This motor, it has a one of these clips that clip on here, so we're kind of wondering if maybe this shaft can be replaced, because the motor's still good. The motor still spins and everything. So I'm gonna ask Oliver about that. And yeah, this thing was just shattered. These ears here, and you can see where they were. There was one on this side and one over here on this side. So I don't know why it shattered. Couldn't tell you, but it did, and that's where we're at. So anyway, we'll get off of here, and we'll see you on the next video. You guys take it easy, and please like and subscribe. Bye.